everyone. Today we're going to monkey around in the kitchen and make some double chocolate banana bread. It smells so delicious. Look at that chocolatey goodness, the chocolate chips on top. Oh, it's hard to believe there is no sugar in this. Just wonderfulness, and it's so delicious. Peel, banana, peel, peel, banana, peel, banana, peel, peel, banana. They did the mash, the banana mash, the banana mash. Pour some syrup on me. Vanilla ice, ice, baby, too cold. So we have our banana, our maple syrup, and our vanilla in here. It smells really good. That is our liquid ingredients, our wet ingredients. So let's do our dry ingredients. Time for our dry ingredients. Extra fine almond flour.
Fine. It's fine if your almond flour is fine. Just fine. It's fine. Just fine. Or extra fine. Whatever you have. Just make sure it's a floury substance, but it needs to be some type of fine.
I'm in love with the cocoa. I got baking soda, and some baking powder.
And I don't know who needs to tell you this, but you can be a little salty in this. Not too much, but just a little salty.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake instead of whisking. Shake instead of whisking. Yep, that is mixed all together. You can whisk or shake. Your choice. So now, combine your dry with your wet ingredients thus far. It smells so good. The chocolate and the banana. Chip, chip, hooray! Light it up! You're the lady, you're the lady, you're the lady. Woo-hoo. A toast to the delicious banana bread that we're about to put in the oven. Chip, chip, hooray! These chips go on top.
Time to go in the oven.
Alright, time to get baking. It smells so delicious. Look at that chocolatey goodness, the chocolate chips on top. Oh,